Hello guys, we are back again with a new video. Today's video is all about Crompton SSTROM 2 Pedestal Fan. This fan sweep is 450 mm, which is 18 inches, and it has a high air delivery and very silent operation. It has oscillation also. The MRP of this fan is 5270 as of today's date, and it's made in India. It's copper, 100% copper motor. So let's unbox this fan. It has 2 years warranty also. This is the base of the fan, which is metal. This is the rod. This is the front guard and the blade, and cup, bottom cup, base cup. This is the motor, guys, which is quite heavy and it's fully copper. So first we'll keep the the motor and the top portion aside. First we'll fix the base. You will be needing a star screwdriver for assembling this fan. First loose these screws up, all the 4 screws. Be careful, don't miss these screws. Don't miss these also. Because these are metal fans, so you will need all these screws and the washer which is given in it. You have to place them correctly. Match it towards all the holes. First, just gently tighten the screw with the help of your hands. Then we will tighten with the help of the screwdriver. When all the 4 screws are done, then we'll tighten it with the screwdriver. Okay, now it's done. Okay, one done. Yeah, all the 4 screws have been tight. Now remove this rubber bush. Please don't miss that. So also will be remove this one also, because we are going to put the guard so that the screws not be seen to look beautiful. Yeah, that's all.
Now the base is fixed, guys.
The base is fixed and the screw is not visible also. So you might be needing a cutting blade over here, because this will be a little bit hard to pull this out. That's all. Tight it. Don't over tight it. Put this rubber bush on. Now the base is done. Base and the top portion is done. Now we'll keep this aside. Now comes the motor and the top guard. Here, this is the motor.
The high speed motor.
high air velocity motor, Crompton company STROM 2. Here you can see its RPM is 1350. It's 90 watts power consumption, single phase motor. Remove this which is attached in this one. This is the warranty card. It has 2 years warranty. Crompton company. The fan, if you are facing any problem in the fan, you can just toll-free number it. The technician will come to your home and it will service. You need not take the fan anywhere. This is the blade. Please be careful with the blade. This is the back guard. Now before installing the back guard, you need to loosen these screws. There are 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. After removing all the 4 screws, now make sure the handle is in the top portion. So match the 4 holes. And first gently tighten it with the help of your hands so that the hole matches, then tighten it fully. Don't tighten it before itself. Don't tighten it. After tightening all the 4 screws, now take the blade. Now you have to be very careful in the blade. There's a screw given here in the blade. Loosen it up. Okay, don't over loose it, just loose it till this level. Okay, now there will be a small guard given here. You can see it. You have to tie the screw in that portion. Yeah, now you have to be careful again. While inserting the blade, you should not push here, from here or here or here. You should push from here, because if you push from here, the blade might get bent and you will not get the perfect air delivery which the fan gives, and the fan might wobble. So you have to be careful while fixing the blade. You have to push here, not from here. Now the next step is you have to take the belt. You have to loosen. You have to take the belt. You have to loosen it up little bit, not so much. Now just fix. There will be 2 guards given here, first and second. You have to fix it in the first one. Here we go. Yeah, it's fixed in first one. And now we are taking the top guard, which is in stainless steel color. Now we have to just gently push it so that it gets fixed in. Yeah, it's fixed. Now there's a screw given here again. You have to tighten this screw so that it becomes a bit tight. Okay, now that's all. The motor portion is fixed. Now we have to assemble the top portion and the bottom portion. There's a small screw knob given here. You have to loosen it, and again you have to be careful over here. Again you have to not loosen it fully. See, there's a screw seen inside. You have to loosen it till the level. More than that you should not open it, or else then you will face some other problem. Take the base part and the motor part. just insert it. Insert, that's all. Then you have to tighten this one. Tighten it as much as you can. That's all, guys. The fan is now assembled. You can adjust the height. You can adjust the height by loosening this. This is the minimum height, and the maximum is this. Okay, now I'm making it in minimum. Yeah, speed. This is the knob for the oscillation given. You have to just press it, that's all. No need not one second. You have to just press it. You need not to screw it. Yeah, that's all. Now this chain is used for speed control. There's three speed control, 1, 2 and 3, and the fourth one will be off. Okay guys, thank you for watching our video. This is the Crompton STROM 2 pedestal fan. Goodbye.